Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that connects us all, no matter where we're from: food. It's something we all need, something we all enjoy, and something that brings us together. So let's get talking about it. First up, the million-dollar question. What's your favorite food? This is such a tough one for me because it really depends on my mood. Sometimes there's nothing better than a classic, cheesy pizza with a crispy crust. You know, the kind where the cheese stretches for miles, just perfect. But then other times, I'm craving a warm, comforting bowl of ramen with rich broth and perfectly cooked noodles. It's like a hug in a bowl. And of course, we can't forget about a simple, perfectly grilled steak. The smoky flavor, the tender texture, it's just divine. It's so hard to pick just one. What about you? Drop your all-time favorite food in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see what everyone loves. Maybe I'll discover my next favorite dish. Now, let's turn up the heat a little. Do you like spicy food? I have to admit, I'm a huge fan. I absolutely love the kick that a little bit of chili or hot sauce can add to a dish. It's not just about the pain, it's about the flavor. A good spicy dish has a complex profile that wakes up your taste buds. Think about a fiery Thai green curry, where the spice is balanced with the creaminess of coconut milk, or a spicy Sichuan hot pot that makes your mouth tingle in the best way possible. Of course, there's a whole spectrum of spicy. I'm probably somewhere in the medium to hot range. I enjoy a good challenge, but I don't want to be in tears and unable to taste anything else. It's all about finding that perfect balance where the heat enhances the other flavors instead of overpowering them. Some of my friends can handle ghost peppers like it's nothing, and I'm just in awe. Others think black pepper is too spicy. Everyone's tolerance is different, and that's what makes it interesting. Where do you stand on the spice scale? Are you team mild or team bring on the heat? Let me know. You know, all this talk about delicious food is starting to have an effect on me. I'm hungry. My stomach is officially rumbling. When that feeling hits, there's only one thing to do. Let's eat. This is one of the best phrases in any language, isn't it? It signals the start of a good time. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite on your own, having a big family dinner, or meeting up with friends, that moment you decide to eat is always filled with anticipation. I think one of the best things about food is the social aspect. Sharing a meal is a universal way to connect with people. It's when we share stories, laugh, and make memories. Think about your favorite memories with loved ones. I bet a lot of them involve food, right? Holiday feasts, birthday cakes, summer barbecues, or even just a simple pizza night with friends. These moments are built around the table. And the best part is, you don't have to be a professional chef to enjoy making and sharing food. Even putting together a simple sandwich or a salad for someone can be a gesture of care. I find cooking to be incredibly therapeutic. The process of chopping vegetables, measuring ingredients, and watching a dish come together is so satisfying. It's a creative outlet, and the reward is a delicious meal. Lately, I've been trying to explore more international cuisines at home. It's like traveling the world without leaving your kitchen. One week, I might try making my own pasta from scratch, which is so much fun and tastes incredible. The next week, I could be experimenting with different spices to make a Moroccan tagine or learning the art of rolling sushi. There's a whole world of flavors out there just waiting to be discovered, and you don't need to go to a fancy restaurant to experience them. A quick search online can give you thousands of recipes to try. What have you been cooking or eating lately? I'm always looking for new inspiration. Maybe you have a go-to weeknight dinner that's quick and easy, or a special occasion dish that never fails to impress. Share your favorites. Let's create a community of food lovers right here and exchange some amazing ideas. All right, my hunger is officially taking over, and I need to go find something to eat. This conversation has been amazing, And it just proves how much there is to say about the wonderful world of food. It's more than just fuel. It's culture, it's comfort, it's celebration, and it's connection. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and talking about one of my favorite subjects. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on our future conversations. Ring that notification bell too. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to the kitchen. Until next time, happy eating!